In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Kit to Framer, ConvertKit integration, problem solve. We're going to walk through the simplest, most reliable path to getting a ConvertKit powered form onto your Framer canvas using the built-in Kit option. By the end, you'll have a form placed in your project, styled to match your design and ready for real-world use without the common hiccups that slow people down. Start by opening Framer and loading the project where you want your form to live. Make sure you're on the correct page or frame so the form drops in the right place. If you already have a section or container prepared, select it now. This helps Framer place the new form exactly where you intend. If you don't, no worries, Framer will still insert it and you can move it in the Layers panel afterward. Next, open the Insert menu in Framer. This is your library of components, patterns, and integrations. If your workspace is compact, the Insert panel might dock or float. That's totally fine. The important thing is that you're looking at the component categories rather than your local layers. Within the Insert panel, navigate to the Forms category. This is where Framer groups ready-made form elements and integrations so you don't have to wire things up from scratch. If you have trouble spotting it, use the search field and type Forms. If nothing appears, double-check that you're in the right tab and that your project is up to date. Sometimes, refreshing the panel helps surface the latest components. Now choose Kit. Clicking Kit adds a ConvertKit ready form directly onto your canvas. You'll see it appear in the selected frame or at the top of your page structure. With the form selected, look to the right-hand sidebar for all the controls you need. You can adjust fields, labels, button text, and visual styles to match your brand. Resize the form to fit your layout, align it within your grid, and fine-tune spacing so it looks intentional on desktop and mobile. A few helpful tips to avoid common issues. Confirm the form is not nested inside a hidden or locked layer, or it may not be visible in preview. Check responsive settings so the form stays legible on smaller breakpoints. Set clear success and error messages so visitors know what happened after submission. And if you duplicate the form, give each instance a clear name in the Layers panel to keep things organized. That's it. You've opened your project in Framer, accessed the Insert menu, found the Forms category, and added the Kit integration. Tweak the styling, preview to validate the flow, and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching, and happy building.